Hello everyone, this week we uploaded 2 videos in 1 week. The reason for this is because our other video we uploaded this week turned out to be 11 minutes long, which, while completely watchable, is not what we usually strive for at KhAnubis Productions. Usually we like to keep our videos quick and usually around like 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 6 or 7 if they're a positive news video. So this video is going to be a shortened version of the Klingon Language For Humans Part 2, about the sounds. So in this video I'm just going to go straight through the sounds, and I'm not going to go in depth about the explanation on them. And now in this I'm going to display the letter, say how they're pronounced, and say the equivalent of them in the Picard script, which is the script the Klingons use. Now, let's start with the vowels. The first vowel is ah, as in car. The second is as in met. The third is as in bit. The fourth is o, as in note. And the fifth is o, as in prune. Now the vowel consonant combinations. Ow, o, ew, I, a, e, oi, oi, mir, mer, more. And finally, on to the consonants. B, ch, g, h, j, l, m, n, p, k, k, h, sh, t, v, w, y, k. This has been the Klingon Language for Humans, the shortened version. If you want to watch the full version, then please click right up here on the wall. If you want to subscribe to KhAnubis Productions, please click my face. If you've already watched the other version, then please click my face to subscribe. Or not if you didn't like our videos. How could you not like our videos? I can't understand. How could someone not like our videos?